Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, a very warm welcome to you. In today's video, I'll be showing you all my everyday 10 minutes makeup routine. As you can see, I've already gone ahead to do my brows off camera. So here I'm basically just applying my concealer on my eyelid. So this would act as a base for my eyeshadow. And then I'll go ahead and set it with my Fenty Beauty setting powder. And once I'm done, I would go ahead and apply my eyeshadow. I'm not actually sure where this eyeshadow palette is from. It has some really nice neutral colors. I would have a look and leave the name in the description box for you guys if you're interested. So here I'm basically just applying the eyeshadow, and as you can see, I'm only using one color. So for my everyday makeup routine, I just like to go in light with my eyeshadow or even my makeup in general. So I only use one color and it looks really nice. And then next up, I go ahead and apply my primer. The primer I'm using here is by Fenty Beauty. I believe it's the mattifying primer, which is really good for my skin because I have a combination skin. So I found out that using a matte primer works well for me, and it just basically gives my foundation a nice base. And then I'm going ahead to apply my foundation. This one is also by Fenty Beauty. I'm not sure what shade. I think it's 320. I'm not sure. And it also looks a bit orange on my face actually. However, when I blend it in and I'm done with my makeup, everything would sit nicely. After applying my foundation, I go in with my concealer. This one is also from Fenty Beauty in shade 420, I believe. So I apply the concealer under my eyes, my chin, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose, and then I just blend it all in nicely. Stars shining bright above you. Breezes seem to whisper. After blending in the concealer, I'll go ahead and set it with my setting powder. And the setting powder I'm using here is by Fenty Beauty. I absolutely love this setting powder. It's a game changer. I just love how it sets in the concealer nicely. So I'm basically just applying it where I applied my concealer. After applying the setting powder, I'll go ahead and contour my face just to give my face some depth and warmth. So here I'm using the Morphe contour palette. It has different shades and I'm using a darker shade. I just love how my face looks after contouring. So beautiful. As you can see, my face is looking a bit more defined. That's the power of contouring. It just snatches your face. So here I'm basically just taking off the setting powder that I applied earlier. And sorry I'm not telling you guys the brushes I'm using. I'll try and leave the names in the description box for you guys, or even the links if I can. But here I'm using a Morphe brush. I'm not sure what number, to be honest, but I'll try to leave everything, all the details in the description box for you all. Next up, I'm applying my blush. This one is from Rimmel. I absolutely love this blush and it's so affordable. I think it was less than £10 actually. And then I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty face powder to just apply it all over my face. After applying my face powder, I went ahead to line my lips. This pencil I'm using, I actually use it for my brows as well. However, it works so well as a lip liner. And then I'm going ahead with my lip gloss. This one is by Fenty Beauty. The popular Fenty Beauty lip gloss is so good. It lasts for a very long time. After that, I'm just going in with my mascara. This one I'm using is from Clinique. It is so good. It just gives your lashes so much volume. I absolutely love it. My eye is so sensitive, oh my days. And then after that, I'm just going in with my eyeliner to line my under eyes. After that, I'll just go ahead and apply my mascara again to my under eyelashes just so it pops. After applying the mascara, I went ahead to apply some highlighter on my face, and the palette I'm using here is the Morphe Highlight and Contour palette. So I'm just placing the highlighter on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, my chin and my forehead just to give me some glow. After that, I'm just reapplying my face powder again just to set all the products in. On Friday morning. Stars shining bright above me. Breezes seem to whisper. Here, I'm basically just using my eyeliner to enhance my beauty mark just so it pops. And then I'm going ahead to apply my setting spray. This one is the All Nighter Setting Spray by Urban Decay. And then lastly, I'm going ahead to apply my face powder just to press in all the products in and make sure that it blends and sits in nicely. And I think that was the end of the whole makeup process really. All in all, I think it took me about 15 minutes to create. This is my everyday go-to makeup look. If I just want to have something cute on my face and I don't want to spend a lot of time, this is the makeup routine I go for. So beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Catch you in my next one. Bye.